Sometimes technology doesn't need to be complicated, sometimes this is enough. What you see here is the AutoCAD Mirror Touch. And honestly, what it does is magic because it turns any screen in your car into a replica of your phone. Because it doesn't just show it to you, it lets you touch, type, and browse as if you had your phone on the dashboard. What's in the box? Honestly, I've never seen it in person. I'll open it here with you. I'm not sure what's inside, but I've used this brand's products before. Or you touch it, it's easy to carry, simple to connect, and we'll do it together. Well, the user manual, of course, I have the device here, or you touch it with a USB-C cable on one side and regular USB on the other, but it also comes with its adapter. That's for cars that are more modern. That's everything that would be an unboxing of something we're going to be using now to make our lives easier. Having a smart screen in the car. And the device is so compact and the cable is totally reinforced, it can withstand what's called 10,000 bends. Just so you know, it never breaks. Premium material ventilation here on the side is plus the light up here, which will indicate the connection. This isn't some generic thing, this is pure technology, and installing it is ridiculously easy. I'm going to connect it to the car's USB port. In this case, it's USB. The adapter was removed, and I'm going to connect it directly. Here you can see the screen because you're going to see what happens here at the same time as I do, right? And the light starts flashing blue. It just recognized it automatically. There it is. I see CarPlay, I see the mirror, and if I had Android, well, I also have the Android option. What I'm going to do now is connect my phone, already connected to my phone, here in the phone. I also see at the top the indicator that this is working perfectly fine, right? What I'm going to do is, what I want is mirror the mirror of my phone. I'm going to click next, and there it is. My phone just appeared on the screen. No app installation is needed. The system is simple since AutoCAD supports Apple and Android protocols. After pairing, your phone will connect automatically when you enter the car. You can see my phone there. Is that clear? Is this also touch? So what I'm going to do, of course, is open a YouTube video. There you have the screen. You can watch Netflix or do whatever you want. And basically, your phone is not connected to CarPlay, okay? Is it your phone? And then on this screen, literally, you see everything a cell phone does, okay? Can you watch TikTok? Okay, there we are watching TikTok. Can you open WhatsApp? If you want, just open it. What about Netflix, Amazon, or YouTube? You can display anything you want here on the screen. There are no limitations, there are no restrictions. That's what we call compatibility. Exactly, not at all. The delay here is 80 milliseconds, far less than what your eyes notice. This is super fast. You won't have to wait for anything here. Everything looks super smooth here. Everything looks natural here. The best part is you can control your phone from the car's screen. It asks if I want CarPlay or mirror. I pick mirror, hit next, and it's there. It was about to tell me to reconnect the phone, but it did it automatically since it recognized it instantly. This features anti-overheating and strong privacy. Your data isn't copied or stored. The audio is integrated with the speakers of the car. And I don't have Android, but you can switch between iOS and Android instantly. I'm telling you the truth, I've spent many years testing all kinds of car gadgets, and I had never seen one like this where everything is so smooth, everything is so fast. Okay? Most of these gadgets make big promises but deliver very little. The difference is that this Ottocast does exactly what it says, and it does it very well. Because at the end of the day, this isn't just an adapter, it's practically an extension of your phone. And look at how that's happening here, at the same speed that I move this, okay? Is it instant? So if you have a car like this one, for example, where CarPlay is wired, we can immediately forget about that and set up CarPlay, boom, no cable, okay? Wireless. That's important. I love using CarPlay wherever I drive, okay? Everyone can see it's all touch here. And since you can control all the apps from the screen without any kind of restrictions, for me, this is worth every penny. It's called AutoCast Mirror Touch, okay? Mirror means your screen is reflected here. Everyone I've shown this to tells me, give it to me as a gift. Believe me, it's worth every penny. It's called AutoCast Mirror Touch.